In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add missing expense and deposit transactions in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing your small business's finances or handling personal accounts, it's important to ensure that all transactions are properly entered in QuickBooks. Missing transactions can create discrepancies in your financial records, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process. First, let's start by ensuring you can access QuickBooks. If you don't have an account yet, head over to the QuickBooks website and sign up. If you already have an account, simply click on the Sign In button on the QuickBooks Online page. Once there, you'll need to enter your account details and click Continue. If prompted, enter your password and hit Continue again. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to choose your company file. Select the correct one, and you're ready to begin. Now that you're in, navigate towards the dashboard and locate the Plus New button at the top left of the screen. Clicking on this button will provide you with various transaction options. Here you'll want to select bank deposit if you're adding a deposit, or expense if it's a payment or withdrawal that needs entering. Let's move on to adding your transaction manually. Once you've chosen the appropriate option, you'll be taken to a new screen where you'll enter the transaction details. Start with the date of the transaction. Then add the payee if it's an expense. Next, select the category which refers to the account the transaction should be linked to, followed by the payment method used, and finally, the amount. Accuracy is key here, as these details ensure your transactions are recorded correctly and reflect what actually happened. After entering the transaction's basic information, you have the option to attach any supporting documents. This step is optional, but it's a good practice to upload receipts, invoices, or any other proofs of payment. This can be incredibly useful come tax time, or if you need to verify a transaction down the line. Before finalizing, take a moment to review everything carefully. Double-check the details for accuracy, ensuring that nothing has been overlooked or mistyped. Once you're satisfied with the information entered, you can either click Save and Close to finish up, or Save and New if you have more transactions to record. And that's it. You've successfully added missing transactions in QuickBooks Online. By ensuring all your financial activities are properly documented, you're taking an essential step in maintaining accurate and reliable financial records for your business or personal accounts. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping!